Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this series regarding the YouTube channel dashboard and analytics. And today we are talking about uh, the subscribers, right? Subscriber is a very have two video is and attracting more and more subscribe analytics and go to the see more, and then you can so that all your and here you shows that we have on the basis of that is followed by for two short video 6 minutes and 43 this people have chosen to subscribe. Great thing. So it is telling you that similarly you can see the second is 28 fast module is 22. Yeah, the purchase auditing the line items, right? We should download it, right? We download it as soon as we download it. You say so subtract it how many what subscriber. It gives you which contents we should be focusing to to uh, attract the interest of our it, and we downloaded it in text, and in here we included it, right? And here we hyperlink them, right? We all we do is that we copy and paste is done in an automated way in using automation, right? So how it is done, this we are going to explain now, which we have downloaded from the uh, YouTube, right? Paste it straight away. Okay, sorry. Now we paste it straight away like this, right? Since we have pasted it, right? Everything is coming in the right manner, and you can see everything is there. 500 euros. Sure. Okay. Now when we go to out of this sheet, when we come back here, so it tells you refresh the hyperlinks. Yeah. So yes, when you refresh it, so it hyperlinks all your so that when all you need to do is click on the hyperlink, and this will take you to my video straight away, right from this Excel, right? So what I have done is that I have written a code, recorded first of all, and then we have written a code on it. So this is the macro which brings the hyperlink, right? These are the codes which I have written, and this is the hyperlink which you say, yeah, this makes the hyperlink, right? It adds the hyperlink on each row and comes back, right? It makes on which row, the row which is supplied in here, right? Right? So this is uh, how it is done. So it starts from the row A3 location and continues until the cell is blank. Once it is blank, so it goes out and finishes. So if it is not blank, then it takes this row number. Initially it is 3, next time it will be 4, 5, and so on, right? And it is saying hyperlink using 3, and then 4, then 5, right? So each time that it is doing it, it is adding. Let me remove all the hyperlinks so that you can see it again happening. Okay, so what we do is, sorry, we select it, we remove the hyperlinks, right? Remove the hyperlinks, all the hyperlinks are removed. Now I click back and say yes. So it is calling this hyperlink with the respective row number, and it is putting the hyperlink, right? Okay, so this is, I hope you like it. So just for the sake of the summary of our learning, the point what I want to make is that being a creator of a YouTube channel, and you have to keep an eye on your videos performance. Means which video is being liked by the audience, which video has more subscribers generation, or attracted more subscriber and compel them to subscribe, right? So uh, this is uh, this shows you your quality of your stuff, means how it is going. The more it's drawing the subscriber for your channel, so it means these videos are being liked, and this also means that you should carry on your practice and go keep bringing on the improvement in your quality, so that you have more and more viewers, you have more and more subscribers, and more ultimately it will result in the watch time increase and CTR, and the impressions will rise. So all these will be helped. So the point I wanted to make is that not only you keep an eye like that since you are an Excel expert, and using your expertise in Excel, you can further do the improvement. And as I have shown you that you have in your channel, since your channel is related to the automation, and each of your video has some linked files like Excel files. Okay? So though include your latest status of your popular videos into each file. So and hyperlink them. And hyperlinking will save the time of your audience, and it will facilitate them directly go to the desired video, and they would like it, and they would further uh, share it further, and your watch time will increase, your views will go up, right? So although what topic maybe anything like if you just for example your topic was solver, you're talking about the solver, right? Fine. Okay. So uh, and for this you have to have some file which is to be linked in your description. So include my popular video sheet in your aid, and include this functionality which I have made. So that would hyperlink. Even if somehow, if the hyperlinks are gone, so each time the user uh, has clicked onto the sheet, so it offers you to to hyperlink your videos so that you can quickly so say yes to it. You say yes, huh? So it will quickly hyperlink. So this way you are adding value to your services for your audience, and they would like these things, and they would so this is a concept. It's not just a hyperlinking teaching you only how to hyperlink. It is to adding the value of your video performance when your video's description includes the file and about the subject matter. Also, in addition to the subject matter, it has a list of my other videos, and all are hyperlinked, and other information also there. They can know that which video has what statistics, and these statistics what forced them so many duration and so many views have achieved by this video. Let's see this video. What is it? So all they need to do is click. I cannot click on it, otherwise it will start playing my own video. And I have heard that there's a gossip that watching your own video on the YouTube will cause problems. But and I also have heard there's such a restriction is now being relaxed, but I don't want to take risk. Okay, why should I? I have my own directory. I have got whenever I want to see these videos, so I don't see on them in the online. I'm going to what I do. I go to the my videos and select them. Right, I select them from there, and from my local hard drive, I play them. So this is the right way of doing it. As long as so why to take a risk? I have yet to confirm that whether it is legally allowed, or whether as per the policy of YouTube, are we allowed to view our videos, our own videos. But anyway, when the people say that it's risky, hey, why to take chances? Why should I go and my play? I have my own record of all these videos. So for the YouTube creators, it is very essential. They should have their own record of videos, and they should use that record, extract your desired video from your own record, and watch if you want to watch and make the changes. Okay, thank you very much and, for joining us. I hope you like this concept of hyperlinking, and you like this concept of monitoring your YouTube videos performance with respect to the subscribers. Sort them, and then in the ascending order, in the descending order, so that the highest subscriber video comes on top. So this is clearly helping you that which your audience is liking, which videos of the 500. You have more than 500 videos in there. So which of those videos have been liked so much better? So this is a good way of doing it, and using Excel expertise, you can further make your life easy, and take the use your Excel expertise to make the decisions about bringing the improvements in your videos performance at your channel. I hope you enjoyed it. Inshallah, I will get back to you with more new things about this as soon as I get something I do share with my audience. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.